Hi, I'm Beautasia from Hollywood Beautiful, the world's first superhero of beauty. I'm here to show you how to use a facial loofah. Okay, we're gonna have some fun today. So I have got some lukewarm water and a loofah that I got from my local beauty supply store. Kate has already applied cleanser to her T-zone and chin. Okay, so first she's gonna moisten it. This is really, really important because the loofah can be a little harsh on the skin. So it's really important that it's nice and soft and moist. I definitely not recommend a loofah on your skin if you are dry, sensitive, or have rosacea or inflamed with acne. So that's just going to irritate it more. So you can see her, she's moving in circular motions in her oily areas. Being very, very careful, around not irritating any acne. And that's how you use a facial loofah. For more beauty tips, you can go to hollywoodbeautiful.com, like me on Facebook, or follow me on Twitter. Thanks for watching.